channel. It's your girl Stephanie with the Y. Don't forget to subscribe. So as you can tell from the title, we are going to be doing a little makeup tutorial, a little ASMR moment, real moment, up close, raw, no flitter, no flitter. We are a generation of social media nowadays where everything's with a smoothing filter or some type of flitter, you know. So I wanted to do this video as a reminder to all of us that makeup is supposed to look like this in real life. It's not going to be perfect. It's not Photoshop. It doesn't like this. It doesn't look like that. It just looks like this, and that's how makeup should be. It's completely normal to see wrinkles, texture, pores, and all that. Like, nobody really cares. So if you ever had any doubts or question what makeup should really look like if you're doing it right, or what's it giving without a filter or in different lighting in 4K, then just keep on watching. I really hope that this video helps if you had any comparison doubts about how makeup really looks like in real life. So as you can see, skin prep all set, all done. If you want to know what I do for skin prep, let me know in the comments down below.
Beauty gurus lied to you. They sold you foundations while donning a blurring filter without showing you the way it truly looked. They told you that makeup was undetectable. They told you that it looked like an airbrush while airbrushing their skin in post-production. So let me let you in on a secret. Makeup will always look like makeup, not skin. By its nature, it sits on the skin, and being human, texture is normal. Humans of all sorts have pores and lines, little bumps. Your skin carries the memory of where it's been, and makeup can't hide that. It's not cakey, you're just seeing texture.
Someone else. I could tell by the way you carry yourself. If you let me, here's what I'll do. I'll take care of you. I've loved and I've lost. I've asked about you and they told me things, but my mind didn't change and I still feel the same. What's a life with no fun? Please don't be so ashamed. I've had mine, you've had yours, we both know. We know we won't get you like I will. My only wish is I die real, cause that truth hurts and those lies heal. And you can't sleep thinking that he lies still, so you cry still, tears all in a pillowcase. Big girls all get a little taste out, pushing me away so I give her space out. Dealing with a heart that I didn't break. I'll be there for you, I would care for you. I keep thinking you just don't know. Trying to run from that, say you're done with that. On your face, girl, it just don't show. When you're ready, just say you're ready. When all the baggage just ain't as heavy and the party's over, just don't forget me. We'll change the pace and we'll just go slow. You won't ever have to worry. You won't ever have to hide. You've seen all my mistakes, so look me in my eyes. Cause if you let me, here's what I'll do. I'll take care of you. I've loved and I've lost. Yeah. It's my birthday, I get if I want to. Can't deny that I want you, but I lie if I have to. Cause you don't say you love me to your friends when they ask you, even though we both know that you do.
You know I love me a good transition.
You do. One time been in love, one time you and all your girls in the club, one time I was so convinced that you're following your heart, cause your mind on patrol, what it does sometimes. We all have our nights though, don't be so ashamed. I've had mine, you've had yours, we both know. We know you hate being alone when you ain't the only one. You hate the fact that you bought the dream and they sold you one. And you love your friends, but somebody should've told you something to save you. by the way you carry yourself.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope that it was informative or helpful, or just helped clear any doubts, questions, or concerns that you had about how makeup really looks in real life, without the filter, with the filter. A few years ago, I used to be the one with those questions, like watching my favorites do a tutorial and just wonder, like, how do they look so perfect? Not realizing that there was a filter. Even for YouTube, I didn't realize till recently that cameras have a naturally built like softening filter. So this is just a daily reminder. 1, never compare yourself, because you're beautiful with and without the makeup. Duh. 2, comparison is always going to be the thief of joy. You already know that. Cliche, we already know, but it's very true. And lastly, sometimes we just got fillers. Fillers. That too. Sometimes we just got filters. And most importantly, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, because I know you want to become part of the familia, and I want you here too. And I do drop a video every week, if not a short, so you know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.